Hi there, students. A denizen. Denizen. Accountable noun, denizens. Okay, a denizen is a person or an animal that lives in a place. The inhabitants, the residents, the occupants of a place. So, the denizens of South London are quite rich. Okay, the people who live there. The denizens of the Amazon rainforest are extremely varied. So you could have the Indian tribes, but you could also have the animals, the alligators, the birds, the monkeys. Okay, denizens. So a denizen, either a person or an animal that lives in a place. The denizens of the deep sea are not well known. Okay, the animals, the creatures that live there. Okay, notice this is a formal word, yeah? I wouldn't use this word denizen in an informal conversation in the pub. You need to use this in a much more formal setting. You could use it also humorously. The denizens of my local pub. So the people who spend all their time in the local pub, yeah, the drinkers. So the denizens of a place. Notice denizen of. The residents, the inhabitants. Now, in legal English or politics or government, a denizen is somebody who lives in a foreign country but has certain rights of residence or citizenship. Okay, so they're not a native, but they live in a different place and they have rights to live there as well. So living in the UK now, there are denizens of many different European nations. Okay, there are denizens also of Asia and India. Okay, so these are people who were born abroad but have the right of residence or citizenship. We can also use this word denizen formally in biology. The technical definition of a denizen in biology is a plant or an animal that has become established in a place, but it's not a native of that place. So, for example, round where I live, round here, I can definitely think of one denizen, a biological denizen, is the giant Asian hornet. It comes from Asia, Southeast Asia, but it now lives here. You can also use the word denizen in linguistics, talking about a foreign word that has come into the language and is commonly used. The word has been naturalized. So in the English language, there are many denizens, particularly from French, but there are denizens from all over the world, from a huge variety of different languages. Notice, these are all formal definitions, yeah? Although just the word, using the word to mean inhabitant, this is quite formal as well. Let's look at the origin. Okay, this comes from Latin through Norman French. From Latin, de intus, from within, from inside. Well, in a way that definitely means somebody that dwells, that lives in a place. So let's see, remember, denizen, it's a formal word, it's an unusual word as well. So it would sound really good in one of your academic writings for an exam or something like that. I strongly recommend using it. Don't use it in an informal conversation. You will sound rather weird. So, a denizen, a person or an animal that lives in a place. The denizens of northern England, the denizens of the deep sea, the rats are the denizens of the sewers of the cities. Okay? And then, even more formally, somebody who's a foreigner resident in a foreign country who has certain rights of citizenship, or in biology, a plant or animal that has established in a place but it's not native to that place, or in linguistics, a foreign word that is used in a language. Okay? A denizen, a countable noun. So, I guess that's all for today for the denizens of my channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Denizen.